Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com. I wanted to talk to you guys about how to appear how to appear in court by what's called court call. Okay, so this is mostly useful if you are out of town, if you are out of state. We had a lot of folks that are out of state that we have California divorce cases filed for, and they have hearings coming up. And in many cases, not for trial, and and ongoing long trials, but for hearings, say for a motion request for order, or say a trial setting conference, a mandatory settlement conference, things like those that are generally short hearings in duration. The courts, on occasion, will approve you to appear telephonically. So there is a way to do that. And I just happened to have a conversation with someone about this the other day, and I realized I don't think I've actually talked about this, so I wanted to get that out there. So if you have a hearing coming up, and say you're out of state and you don't want to fly in for the 15-minute hearing, there is an opportunity or a chance that the court will approve what's called a court call or telephonic hearing. The way to do it is first you need to call the actual clerk in the department. You can't call the court. You have to call the actual clerk in the department, get their name, let them know you have a hearing on whatever date coming up. Make sure to give them lots of prior notice, and let them know your reason for asking to appear telephonically. They're not going to approve it if you're an hour or 2 hours away. They're going to make you show up. So you're going to have to be out of state, 5-6 hours away, for them to approve it. But you have to have a good excuse. If you live in another state, that would suffice, and that's one of the reasons they will approve it. But you have to let them know, hey, I have a trial setting conference coming up in a couple of weeks. Here's the date, and I want to get approval for to appear telephonically by court call. If they approve it, they may say they have to ask the judge, or the clerk may be able to approve it on the spot. But if they approve it, make sure to get the clerk's name and ID number, because you're going to need that when you set up your court call with the company that does the court call for the court. So the way court call works, it's not you just calling in on the day of the hearing and the clerk picks up the phone and says, how can I help you? The court call is through a system called, and the service that we recommend or have used in the past is called Court Call. So it's courtcall.com. And you have to sign up with them. You have to give them the date, the case number, the time of the hearing, and you'll actually call in to this into a set number, and then you'll be like on a waiting list, like you're waiting to be called. So the court's not waiting for you. They know you're on the line. They know you're available, and they'll basically pick up the line when your name is called, and you'll appear telephonically in that fashion. So if you have a good reason and you're out of state or a long ways away, probably they're going to tell you, if you can't make the appearance, to file a continuance. But if it's something like a trial setting conference or a short hearing, there's not going to be evidence or a long trial. Most of the time, they will allow a telephonic appearance. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com, specializing in California divorce. Please give us a call at 661-281-0266 for more information, or go to our website at Divorce661.com.